Welcome to a new video on demystifying blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the basics. What is blockchain? Imagine it as a digital ledger that records transactions securely using a chain of blocks, like a padlock securing valuable information. Each block contains a list of transactions, and once a block is full, it's linked to the previous one, creating a chain. This chain makes altering any information extremely difficult, ensuring security. One key feature is decentralization. Unlike traditional systems, there's no central authority controlling the blockchain. Instead, a network of computers, known as nodes, validate and record transactions. To add a block to the chain, nodes must agree on its validity. This agreement, known as consensus, ensures that everyone in the network has the same information, preventing fraud and ensuring trust. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Blockchain is the technology that powers it. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. The most famous one? Bitcoin. To use cryptocurrency, you need a digital wallet. It's like your bank account, but digital. Your wallet stores your private keys, allowing you to access and manage your funds securely. Blockchain can do more than just transfer value. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automate and enforce agreements without the need for intermediaries. The benefits of blockchain and cryptocurrency include increased security, transparency, and efficiency. Transactions are faster, cheaper, and can be conducted globally. Despite the many advantages, it's essential to acknowledge the disadvantages of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Regulatory uncertainty is a significant factor. Governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate and tax cryptocurrencies, leading to uncertainty for users and investors. Additionally, cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, with values fluctuating dramatically in a short period, posing risks and challenges for investors. It's important to weigh both the advantages and disadvantages of blockchain and cryptocurrency. As this technology evolves, addressing these challenges will be crucial for its widespread adoption. Thank you for exploring the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency with us. If you found this animation insightful, please like and subscribe. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and as always, stay curious.